Clark, Finselback, nôl i'r golwr Davies, un cyffyrddiad, mae'r bas yn ei fler, syth i Steve Thames, rownd y golwr na, arbediad wych gan Davies, o mae Thames, roi'r Bala ar y blaen, 45 eiliad ar y cloc, smonach llwyr yn amddiffyn y tîm cartra, a ydych chi'n mynd pasio'r bel fel i ymysodwr fel Steve Thames, Llanelli dim y Bala 1, Burns i Henry Jones, mae'n hawdd drwy gweithio'r amddiffynwr, groesiad i mewn. Mae Dani Alfie Drian di penio honna i rwyd i hun. Anrheg gynnar nadolig i'r Bala. Gwaith creadigol gan Jones, groesiad yn berffaith. Mae Alfie yn troi mewn i rwyd i hun. Sheridan. Smith tu allan iddo, Venables ar ras i mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Tag at Venables, mae'n dod. Mae mor hawdd a hynna. I Gynghrair y tîm cartra. Llai na chwarter awr ar y cloc. Trydydd i'r Bala. Llanelli'n ceisio chwarae o'r cefn. Mae da gan Burns a gweld y bas mae'n brasgamu tuag at y cwrt Cosby. A'r bas yn darganfod Chris Venables chwilio am 'i ail. Mae'n toro'r postyn. Gwaith gwych gan Burns. A mi rithrodd y golwr allan yn cael ongl. Mae'n gwneud digon. Burns ar dafliad. George yn penio. Neb ar gyfil Chris Jones, mae'n meddwl yr gydio. A mae'n teipio i Jones ar ergyd yn fflachio heibio i Ashley Morris. Hanner awr di chwarae ar Barc Slebonydd. Llygedyn obaith i'r tîm cartra. Chris Jones a chwip o ergyd. Heibio i cyn golwr Llanelli. Burke i Henry Jones. Bas chwilio am redia Steve Thames, dio ddim yn cam sefyll. Mae Sheridan i'r chwith, mae'r golwr o'i flaen. Thames, ysgorau ail o'r prynhawn. Pedwerydd i'r Bala. 12 munud o'r ail hanner di chwarae. Thames yn curo'r trap cam sefyll. Hawdd i ddefnyddio Sheridan, ond yr hynna'n hyder yn glir i weld yn chwarae Steve Thames. Morris ar gicin uniongyrchol fyny tuag at Venables. Beniad allan. Gweda gan Smith, Burke, allan i Sheridan, Venables, sy'n lawr yr asgell chwith. Sheridan yn parhau a'i rediad i'r cwrt Cosby. Venables ar groesiad tuag at Sheridan, a mae'r beniad yn curo Oliver Davies. 5 o'r prawn i'r Bala, 20 munud o'r ail hanner di chwarae. Gol gyntaf o'r tymor i Ian Sheridan. Jones ar sotliad i Steve Thames o heibio i Owen. Mae'n dat y golwr, mae o amgylch y golwr. Hat-trick cynta yn uwch Gynghrair Cymru i Steve Thames. Hanner ffordd drwy'r ail hanner. Fel cylleth drwy fenyn. Unwaith eto gan opsiynau i'r chwith ag i'r dde. Ond hynny'n anol. Goset i Henry Jones yn troi yng nghanol y cae. Venables i'r dde. Jones yn parhau yr ediad a Thames a ras i'r cwrt Cosby. Groesiad yn wych gan Venables. Thames ysgorau bedwaredd gol o'r gêm, 7th o'r gêm i'r Bala. Crasfa i Llanelli. Anrheg nadolig gwych i Colin Kitten a'i dîm.
Yeah, I thought we started the game very well, and then I think we were sloppy after going 3-0 up. We just went sloppy, and it wasn't good enough. We had to go with them at half time and said it wasn't acceptable. And you know, I was disappointed going in 3-1. It should have been a lot more. It could have been 9 or 10 in the first half, and then second half we've got ourselves going. But the performance after the going 3-0 up wasn't good enough.
Really disappointed. We you know you make one step forward, and it's more like we're going back too. So yeah, really disappointed.
Obviously, before I come to here and in pre-season, I thought if I get to 15 to 20 in my first season, that's obviously good. But to be there at Christmas, obviously on 17, it's you know what I mean, it's excellent. But it's not just me. Obviously, the lads are chipping in, and obviously, if they don't create the chances, I don't score. You know what I mean? As simple as that.
It's been a tough place to come for years. It's always nice to go back to your old club and see people and visit the place. But yeah, we're just pleased with 3 points now.
It'll be a good test. Connor's here full time, and Andy Morrison's a very good coach. He's got them really well drilled. It'll be a good test for us. You know, it's going to be two very difficult games. You know, we know what to expect from Connors Kiev, but you know, Andy's been about for a long time and he's very good at what he does. You know, it'll be a good test, and looking forward to it. And you know, we've got to try and get results from them games. Otherwise, we could drop down to not be in the top 6. So it's important that we get results from the next 2 games.
You know, we look to put something in place to get something out of these 2 games. I mean, two huge games. You know, I think the most important thing is, you know, we don't lose the games. And obviously, our main objective would be to win the games. So yeah, just 2 games. Obviously, January can't come quick enough then.